हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके सामने लेकर आई हूँ हिमाचल प्रदेश स्टाफ नर्स एग्ज़ाम की आंसर की पोस्ट कोड 892 जो कि हुआ है आज यानी कि 1 अगस्त 2021 को। तो शुरू करते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ड्रग शुड बी यूज्ड फॉर रिंसिंग द सिरिंज बिफोर टेकिंग सैंपल फॉर ABG एनालिसिस। सो इसका जो सही आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन डी, हेपेरिन। Next question 2. The position used for most of the gynecological procedures is, so the right answer will be option B, supine position. Next is ICDS, that is Integrated Child Development Services program was launched in the year. So the right answer for this question is option B, 1975. Fourth question, which of the following drugs causes EPS? So इसका जो सही आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन ए, एंटी साइकोटिक्स। Next, fifth question, with which of the following the Indradhanush Yojana is associated? So its right answer will be immunization of the kids. Option B will be correct. So sixth question is, simplest form of thinking is, so perceptual thinking, that is option D. This will be correct. Seventh is, platelets are a source of, so जो इसका सही आंसर होगा वो है ऑप्शन सी, थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन। Eighth question, in which defense mechanism one make excuse giving a reason different from the real one? So the right answer for this is rationalization, option B. Ninth question, most effective way to prevent bed sore in bedridden patient is, so it will be option A, too early position change. Then next question, what is the incubation period of tetanus? So it is 10 days, option B will be correct. Next, an unpleasurable reaction to an imagined anger is, so it is anxiety, option C is right. 12th question, the type of cyanosis seen in PDA is, so it is a differential cyanosis, option A is correct. 13th, the immunoglobulin that can cross the placenta is, it is IgG, option C. 14th, in which type of solution does the fluid shift from tissues to blood? So it shifts in hypotonic solution, option A is correct. 15th, the normal value of serum lithium test is, so it is 0.6 to 1.2, so option A is correct. 16th, which of the following code is associated with cardiac arrest during medical emergency? So for this option B यानी कि code blue will be correct. 17th, ऐसा एक मिलता जुलता कुछ 16 क्वेश्चन से मिलता जुलता क्वेश्चन आगे भी आया जिन्होंने आपको पता ही होगा क्या क्वेश्चन है वो। 17th है, fetal monitoring machine is used to, so it is used to record heartbeat of fetus, option A will be correct. Then 18th, all the following are the benefits of KMC except, so except option D, to increase hormones like growth hormone, so this will be correct. Then 19th is, Anganwadi worker is supervised by, so she is supervised by मुख्य सेविका, option A will be correct. 20th, one can tolerate frustration because of the function of, so option B, ego will be correct. सो मैं आपको बता दूं, हिमाचल सिंप्लीफाइड चैनल पर बहुत सारे हिमाचल से जितनी भी जॉब्स निकलती हैं उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहती है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा, साथ में वीडियो को लाइक करना बहुत ज़रूर कीजिएगा। 20th क्वेश्चन है, one can tolerate frustration because of the function of ego, option B will be correct. The 21st, tapping over the facial nerve causes twitching of the facial muscles, it is known as, so it is known as Skovestic sign, option A will be correct. Then 22nd question, 500 ml of IV fluid need to be administered over 5 hours with drop factor 20, calculate drops per minute, so it will be 33 drops per minute after calculation. 23rd is, highest level of need according to Maslow's hierarchy is, so self-actualization is the correct option, option D that means. 24th, the traction used for cervical spine injury is, so I have a confusion in this question. If you know the right answer, do comment below. Then 25th, Chaya oral contraceptive pills is, it is non-hormonal and non-steroidal, option A. Then 26th, the site of intramuscular injection in infants is, so it is option A, anterolateral portion of thigh muscle. Then 27th, emergency treatment of cocaine toxicity seeks to stabilize body temperature, option B will be correct. 28th, which of the following day is celebrated as World Anti-Tobacco Day? It is a easy question, 31st May, option B will be correct. 29th, the defense mechanism regression means to revert to childish level behavior, option D will be correct. Next is question 30. Method used to access urine specific gravity is, so all of these, that is urinometer, reagent strips, and then a refractometer, all are used. So all of these, option D will be correct. 31st, location of auscultation for apical pulse is, so its location is 5th intercostal space at the right mid clavicular line, that is option C will be correct. 32nd, largest immunoglobulin is, so it is IgM, option B is right. Moving on to the next, 33rd, phagocytosis is considered as which line of defense against infection, so it is second line of defense, that is option B. Then 34th, what is the antidote of narcotics, so it is naloxone, option A is correct. 36th question, when does the infant weight get double in relation to birth weight, so it is at 5 months, option A is correct. 37th, paranoid thoughts are described as delusions, option B will be correct. 38th, which of the following viral infections is transmitted by tick, so it is Kyasanur forest disease, option C. 39th, a patient with liver problem develops edema because of increase in hydrostatic pressure, option B is correct. 40th, the most common deficiency seen in patient with chronic alcoholism is thiamine, option A is correct. 41st, Sidex is also known as, so it is also known as glutaraldehyde, that is option B. 42nd, second heart sound S2 indicates closure of aortic and pulmonic, that is option C is correct. And then 43rd, chemical components of malady are, so it is option A will be correct for this. 44th, then 44th question, the type of delusion most commonly seen is manic patient is, so it is option B, delusion of grandiosity. 45th, breakbone fever is also known as dengue, option B will be correct. 46th, missed abortion is also known as a silent miscarriage, that is option C. And then 47th question, which of the following changes are seen in ECG reading in patients with hyperkalemia, so it is option B, shortened QT interval. Then the 48th question, classical dengue fever is transmitted by, so it is transmitted by Aedes mosquito, option A. 49th, BMI is also known as Cutilate index, that is option A. 50th, Ishihara chart is used for the assessment of color vision, option B will be correct. 51st, which gauze cannula is used for blood transfusion, so it is 14G orange color cannula, so option D will be correct. 42nd, the bluish discoloration of the cervix vagina that is observed as early as 6 to 8 weeks after conception is called Chadwick's sign, option A is correct. 53rd, which is the primary assessment done when patients BP fall during labor, so it is option D, both A and B. 54th, number of teeth in 3-year-old child is, it is 20 temporary teeth, option B will be correct. And then 55th, which of the following are characteristic features of malnutrition, so option C, kwashiorkor and stunting, this will be correct, option C. 56, which of the following are the causes of delirium, so alcohol consumption, option C will be correct. 57th, the side effects of tricyclic antidepressants TCA drugs are, so it is option D, all of the above. 58th, National Malaria Eradication Program was launched in the year 1958. It actually it got implemented in 1958. And then 59th, as per RCH first referral unit is, so it is a district hospital, option A, with many facilities over there. And 60th question, other name of collapsing pulse is water hammer pulse, so this is the right option, option B. Stay tuned for the other questions which are related to GK and current affairs. Thank you for watching.